do not understand what mean of human rights. Everyone telling that we are working for Rohingya. They are working for Rohingya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Urging to international community, world leaders and United Nations. We would like to share our feeling to international community, world leaders, United Nations in the happy new year of 2023. In the happy new year of 2023, you will enjoy around the world in your each country. But we Rohingya refugees will celebrate as a sad new year because of Myanmar military government kick out from our own country. As you all know that we have been systematically victimized from Myanmar, who have been done by Burmese military in the exodus of 2017. We have been taking shelter in refugee camp Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh since the exodus of 2017. We do not understand what mean of human rights. Everyone telling that we are working for Rohingya. They are working for Rohingya. But why are nobody concerned with Rohingya? No consultation, no solution is visible. You mentioned with us that Rohingya are hungry for food and thirsty for water. It's wrong perception. We are hungry for sustainable solution and thirsty for full human rights according to UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Please feel our inner pain. We don't want to con one more devastated year in this refugee life. We want back home with dignity and full rights in 2023. We Rohingya number one wanna die on the hand of Myanmar brutal authority on sea, on road, and refugee life. We keep and want better hope from international community and world leaders to bring justice and peace in our motherland Myanmar. We are grateful to the government of Bangladesh for being provided humanitarian grant. Thank you everyone.